It's learning time! Today we're learning to blend and read words with these sounds. Are you ready? Let's review the sounds first. S, A, T, P, I, D, G, O, K, K. Well done! Let's practice blending from the first to the last sound. O, on, on, on. I, in, in, in. I, d, kid, kid, kid. G, ass, gas, gas, gas. I, g, pig, pig, pig. Caught, caught, caught. D, I, g, dig, dig, dig. Cap, 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 cap. Pot, pot, pot. App, map, map, map. Well done! Now let's review the words we've read. On, in, kid, gas, pig, caught, dig, cap, pot, map. Keep practicing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.